guys, welcome to Auntie Masa's cooking channel. Today we're going to try how to make blueberry banana cake. But before we try how to make this cake, please subscribe to this channel. If you have already done so, thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Also, the music from our video is from the best music producer, Kaxi on the beat. Check out his YouTube channel. The link is down below. With that said, let's get to our video of the day. To make this cake, you need all the ingredients listed in the comments below. If you have all the ingredients, this is what you'll do. Add all-purpose flour a dish. Add bicarbonate soda. Add baking powder. And mix it. In another dish, add milk, add vegetable oil, add 1 egg, put vanilla essence, also put cinnamon, then mix it. After, add cream milk, then mix it again. Add blended bananas. Add the first mixture of the flour and whisk it until it gets smooth like this. When it is smooth, put it in a baking pan. And add some blueberry syrup. And then bake it for 45 minutes at 250 degrees. While the cake is cooling, forgot soil.
No, you don't put soil in cake.
My father said that they make soil with cake.
Your father said they make soil with cake?
Yes.
No, they don't.
They do.
They don't.
They do.
No, in our cake today we are not making it with soil.
With what?
We're making it with flour.
And what?
Just flour. Which color is this?
Color purple.
And this color?
It is pink.
Okay.
Auntie Mercy, why are you spoiling it?
I want to make another design.
Okay.
All right. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Does it look yummy?
Yes.
Okay.
This cake looks yummy.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. So now you close the video.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. That is all for today. Bye-bye.